Hello everybody, my name's John, welcome to my channel. This is the Rolaro XT-KJ006 and for those that have already seen my review on this, I was having some transmitter problems and I solved the problem by basically hacking in here to enable me to accelerate better. Well, Rolaro have done exactly what they promised and sent me a brand new one. I've written new at the top and you can see that the old one has those stickers there. And I wanted to show firstly that my fix did in fact work, but secondly that the new one is all fixed, so you don't have to worry if you were thinking about ordering one of these that they haven't fixed it. They have in fact fixed it. So I'll show you the old one first. That's on full. New one is also on full. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do a full throttle on the 3S battery that I've got underneath here. 3S battery underneath there. Hopefully nothing will move, and what I'll then do is connect this one and again full throttle and see whether we get the same speeds. Hopefully everything's in focus. Right, let's see. So this is the old one. Where's the best place for me to go? Can you see there? Yeah. Then the new one. Obviously I'll see if I can get a side-by-side comparison. Sorry about that, dustbin men or gas men. And this time it doesn't matter how hard I push, I'm not getting more out of it. About this point I'll start to include some slow-mos of both of them side by side to see if I can notice any difference, but I think it's all sorted. So to me, ladies and gents, that sounds exactly the same. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.